Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to solve the paper of term 1 subject physics and paper code is 055/2/4. Okay. Now there are three sections in the paper. Section A, B and C. In section A we have to attend any 20 questions. In section B we have to attend any 20 questions. And in section C we have to attend any 5 questions, and there are total 55 questions in the paper. Okay, so let's start the question number 1. In question number 1 it is given that we have a negatively charged object X which is repelled by object Y. So the force of repulsion is only acting between the objects when they are same charged. So Y is negatively charged. And now there is an object Z which is attracted towards the Y. So the charge on the Z is. So it's very simple. If Z is attracted towards the Y, so it is only possible when Z is positively charged or neutral. Because when Z is neutral, then due to the charging by induction, opposite charge is produced on its surface and it is start attracting towards the Y. So correct option is C. Okay. Now in question number 2, there are 3 latex spheres. Let's assume spheres are A, B and C, and the charge on each sphere is plus 3 electron, 5 electron and 3 electron. So total charge on all the spheres are in contact simultaneously and after separated. Then the final charge on each object is. So it is simple. In initial condition the total charge is 5 electron. So in the given option B, it is the correct option. The final charge on A is 6 electron, B is also 6 and C it is minus 7 electron. So total sum is 5 electron. That is the correct answer is option B. Okay. Now in question number 3 they are asking about the total charge on an object which contain initially 1 coulomb charge and gain 5 into 10 to the power plus 18 electrons. Okay. So the final charge is Q is equals to Q1 plus Q2. Q2 must be negative because the electrons are gained, and if electrons are increases then charge is negative. So we have to find Q2, that is Q2 is equals to number of electrons and the minimum charge of the electron. So Q2 is equals to minus 8.8 coulomb. So Q is equals to 1 minus 0.8. So Q is equals to 0.20 coulomb. This is the correct answer, and answer is option D. Now in question number 4 they want to ask about KCL and KVL depend upon the which laws. KCL Kirchhoff current law and KVL is Kirchhoff voltage law. KCL is depend upon charge conservation and KVL is depend upon energy conservation. Okay. So the correct option is D. D is the correct answer. In question number 5, there is a bulb of 220 volt and 100 watt operating. If voltage is 110 volt, then they want to ask about the power consumption. So it is very simple question. First of all, we know P is equals to V square upon R. So R is equals to V square upon P, that is 220 into 220 upon 100 watt. So the answer is R is equals to 484 ohm. Now the power consumption P dash is equals to voltage 110 volt. So V square 110 into 110 upon 484. Okay. So the final answer is P dash is equals to 25 watt.